It's fall, and for most of us that means everything pumpkin, like pumpkin French toast. If you want to learn how to make a healthier version of pumpkin French toast, then make sure you watch this video to the end. For quick, easy, healthy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you're notified when I upload my videos twice a week. Hi, I'm Debbie Chu and I'm a plant-based RN, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making a healthy, gluten-free pumpkin French toast, so let's get started. This recipe was inspired by John Mcdougall from his Starch Solution book, and everything's going to go into the Vitamix. So we're going to start with 2 cups of plant milk, three to 4 chopped dates. These are Mcdougall. I've got a 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie mix. Then a 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is a 1/2 teaspoon, so I have to do 2. Now we're just gonna blend this up till all the dates are combined and everything's smooth. So after you blend everything up and it's nice and smooth, you're just gonna pour it into a shallow dish like I did here. And then I'm just gonna use some gluten-free bread. You can use whatever kind of bread you like. And then you're just gonna put it in the mixture. And you're gonna just let it soak for a minute or 2. And then you're gonna flip it over and do the same thing. You don't wanna let it soak too long or it's just gonna fall apart. But just like a minute or 2 on one side and a minute on the other side. So once this is done soaking, I'm just gonna take it over the stove, and I have a skillet over here heating up, and I'll show you the next step. You wanna make sure you have a really good non-stick pan. If yours isn't so good, then you might wanna put a little vegan butter or a little spray on there or something. I like to do the water test. When the water beads dance, we're ready. So we're just gonna put our bread in here. Woo! And look at it dance. So we're just gonna cook these till they're nice and brown on each side, and then we will give them a taste. I'll leave a link to the Starch Solution, so if you want to get a copy for your own, you will be able to do that. Go ahead and flip it. Pumpkin French toast. Can't beat it. And this is definitely a healthier version. What I love is with the leftovers, all you have to do is take them out of the fridge, put them in your toaster, toast, and enjoy. I top mine with some organic pure maple syrup, so let's give them a taste. Get a little syrup on there. There's something so satisfying about French toast. It's so good. And adding pumpkin to it just boosts the nutrition. It's great. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you found this video helpful, please leave me a comment below. Until next time, thank you.